All right, so guys, this is my review of the Knockout Black Blue. We have the Black Blue, we have the black one here. We're gonna compare them a little bit. So then we're gonna throw a full game with the brand new Knockout Black Blue. And before we get there, you guys know what to do. Subscribe to the channel down below and comment if you like this style video or if you guys wanna see any different balls or any different style videos. Just let us know down below in the comments and hopefully I'll reply to all of them. And until then, let's just jump right into this ball video. All right, we're here. Seneca Bowl with the Knockout Black Blue. It's the all new Knockout. The sequel of the all black one that I absolutely loved was one of my favorite balls of all time. It was a staple in my bag. It is still a staple in my bag. I brought my current Knockout here and I'm gonna compare it to this one. I'm gonna bowl one game with this ball right here and we'll see if I can strike enough to hopefully impress some of you guys into getting one of these because I know I'm gonna have more than one. So here we go. First game with the Knockout Black Blue and a comparison to the OG black one. Strike. Two strikes. Keep losing my mic. All right, so 3 frames in with the Knockout Black Blue. This ball is earlier for sure, as you guys saw in the warm-ups. You know, it's that 3-1, 3-2 earlier and stronger, just than that OG solid black Knockout. So honestly, for me, it's a great compliment to the Black Blue to the black Knockout where I can bring both of them. So I can bring both of them to a tournament and see, you know, maybe that Black Blue one is actually a true benchmark piece where the black one might be a little too weak for some patterns. This black and blue one, I can see myself throwing it on almost every pattern. But before I talk too much, let's get 3 more frames and get to the 6th. See if I can handle the TV timeout. Push. 4. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is not my first game out the box, but it is the first game that I'm bowling with it on a league pattern. Threw it at the Players Championship for about 3 shots in practice. So I can't say it's my first game out of box. I guess it is my first game. It is my first like scored game with it, so I guess we could qualify this first game out of the box. Oh, that's so bad. Literally just didn't look at the target. All right, so frame 6. I got 1 miss, and that is the almost Brooklyn strike because I didn't look at my target. Overall, though, this ball is definitely going to be in my league bag. It's going to be in my tournament bag. I'm bringing this thing everywhere because I can just see how versatile it is. You know, yes, it's strong, but it's not too early. It's strong, but it's strong in the right way where it hooks in the middle of the lane and it continues as it goes through the pins. So I could see myself bringing this on some long patterns. I could see myself bringing it on some short patterns where I can't throw urethane, but super versatile piece. Let's get to the final 3 frames here, or I guess the final 4 frames here, and then we'll talk again a little bit at the end about exactly where this ball fits in comparison to my other balls. So after that atrocious 6 frame, I'm gonna have to redeem myself. Should I move? Yeah, I'll move 1. Move 1. This thing just continues down lane. This thing looks awesome. I didn't exactly give that one like my full trust, so I'm gonna move another 1 here and really trust it left. This is deeper than I normally play on the house shot for sure. Just every shot I feel like that hits the pocket is like splitting the 8-9. That's left for sure. Come on now. Absolute log there, huge messenger. Maybe I don't need to throw it that hard. Still sending it left here though. Oh my God, what is happening with this pin carry? It just doesn't, it just can't miss. It only strikes. Bing, bing, bing. One more strike here for 279. Let's see if I can lay a good one out there and really flush them up. That's horrendous. I said I wanted to make a good shot, and that's the one I made. Yikes! Just need one more good one here. One more good one, that's all I need. All right, guys, thanks for sticking along. That was my review of the favorite ball in my bag. That is the Knockout Black Blue. It's kind of taken over that Knockout Black where the OG Knockout has really, you know, almost become a weaker part of my bag. And this Knockout Black Blue is going to be a staple in that benchmark piece, that one that I can bring everywhere and kind of measure up what patterns do based off of how that ball reacts. So it's that perfect tournament piece for me where I can use it in practice and discover what the pattern's really about. And then it's also gonna be that league ball where, as you see, no matter how deep I got, it's still cornered down lane and kick the 7s, 10s, 8s, and 9s out. So I had a good game, 279 out the bag. First game out the box with that ball, 279, as I said. Couldn't have asked for really much more than that besides the horrendous Brooklyn shot. So basically, every time you throw it anywhere near your target, it's gonna strike. And that was my review on the Knockout Black Blue. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and until then, peace.